Hi, I have another baking soda and vinegar experiment for you today. I'm going to make my glove fill up with carbon dioxide gas. This is how we're going to do it. We're going to put a 1/3 cup of vinegar in a recycled water bottle. And just any white plain vinegar. I'm going to use this handy dandy funnel that I have here in my kitchen. Again, that's a 1/3 cup. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of baking soda into my glove. If you have a balloon, that's even better. But this is what I had on hand. There's 1 tablespoon, and there's the other tablespoon. These do not have to be exact measurements. And now I'm going to use this plastic ring to secure the end of my glove. And I got that ring just from my plastic bottle. It's what makes this seal with the lid. So when you take that off, you have this plastic ring. You could use a rubber band, or you could just hold your glove in place here on the bottle. If you use a balloon, you probably won't have to use that because it has a smaller neck. But today I'm just going to put that plastic ring around like the wrist part of my glove. And then I'm going to put the glove over the bottle like this. And I'm going to secure that ring down sort of over the neck. Oops. Well, it's taken me a minute to get that on. There we go. I think I'll hold that down too, just in case, but you can see how that ring is now placed over the neck of the bottle. There we go, and it is inflated my glove just like that. There it goes. Now, why does that happen? It's a chemical reaction between the baking soda and the vinegar. When you mix those two together, you actually create something new. You create carbon dioxide gas. I'm going to put some more information for you down in the description box below, but this is a lot of fun to do. And again, if you have balloons, that works even better. Thanks for watching.